Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just bringing another video out to you, bringing another stock to your attention. Again, I'm not a licensed counselor. I don't give financial advice, tax advice, or legal advice. I'm just stating my opinion here. I can't tell you whether to buy or sell. Again, I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment all in one. So tonight I'm going to bring you Bionano Genomics. It's kind of a tough one to say, but anyway, ticker is BNGO. I heard about this one. Let's see, when did I buy it? Wow, back in July. I didn't think it was that old. I bought this back in July 22. As you can see, 10 shares at 98 cents. And let's just go back there. And anyway, after I bought it, it just kind of went down. As you can see, it's been on the kind of decline. Of course, there's the pandemic. But right about in here, I guess at this peak is when I probably got in at some point. But since then, as you can see, it's just been kind of trading sideways at 50 cents. A couple weeks ago, I was going to buy some more just to try to dollar cost average out of it. Again, you don't lose unless you sell it, and I'm, not at a big loss, 40 cents, but still 40 cents is 40 cents. But anyway, it's just kind of, as you can see here, just kind of taken off in the, since the 18th, it's just kind of taken off here. So back up to 94 cents and almost at my cost basis. So again, just kind of trading flat here and then just kind of started running up. So I would have been ahead if I would have bought some more shares back in here, but anyway, we live and learn, and we fall forward instead of backward. So if you haven't heard about this one, I honestly can't remember how I heard about this one. I think somebody told me about it. It's into cancer and some other health things, as I will go into the video. But is a life sciences instrumentation company which focuses on genome analysis space. The firm engages in the development and marketing of Saphyr system, and I'll go over the website with the Saphyr system here later. The platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutic targets. They're headquartered in San Diego, California. Been around since 2003. Again, a very small market cap. I don't usually like to touch these, but as you can see, the price of the stock, I mean, who knows if it took off, could double, triple, 10 times my money. But anyway, it's up to you if you'd like to research this one. I'm just throwing it out there at you to get some opinions and everything. This Ocugen, I made a video on it yesterday. I'll be doing another one here later tonight, so be watching for that one. But anyway, back to BNGO. Really all that I could find that's kind of running up here lately. And this was, I thought, kind of interesting. Looks like on the IPO at $6 to $7 range, so glad I didn't get into it back then. But anyway, just a couple different views on different websites. This one's BNGO, showing it as a downgrade, buy, neutral, still kind of bearish on it, so 68.82% positive. Here it shows as of today, December 28th, Bionano shares up 40%. Earlier announced its customer Praxis Genomics was accredited by College of American Pathologist. That's really all that I could really find about this company in regards to the run-up. So again, here on Yahoo Finance, it shows Bionano customer Praxis Genomics accredited by College of American Pathologists completing first LDT in the U.S. for constitutional genetic disorders that uses whole genome analysis with Saphyr as alternative to chromosomal microarray and karyotyping. That's a tongue twister. Read that whole paragraph really fast. And anyway, it's in the health field, I usually tend to stay away from these. I'm not going to read all of it to you. If you'd like to go ahead and pause. Again, this one is on Yahoo Finance. But just bringing it to your attention, I thought it was kind of an interesting one. One that I've been kind of watching and holding, and maybe I'll get my money back out of it. But really, that's about all that I could find on this one. Tip rank shows it here as a moderate buy. Based on 3 analyst ratings, 2 buy, 1 and a hold, and 0 sell. So they must see some potential for it down the road. So after looking at their website, I can kind of see some potential with this one as well. So anything in the healthcare, cancer, anything like that, they're all kind of speculative. I'm an optimist myself. I mean, everybody gets cancer, it seems like, at some point in time. So those companies are always of interest to me. Maybe not the best ones to invest in, but if you get in the right one at the right time, you could make a lot of money. So again, this just kind of goes over some of the same information, up 27.1%, which is good to see because I'd like to make some money on this one or get my money back out of it. But here's their website, just kind of some information in regards to their products. This is the, I'm assuming it's Saphyr. Maybe it was already on it here, but just kind of some, yep. So some different products that they have. Optical genome mapping instrument, optical genome mapping using Saphyr. Reveals what's missing in your research, rapidly identify genome variation like never before with high throughout Saphyr system. And here you can kind of see some of their different products and services. I mean, they have quite a few, a lot of it. I need to research this one a little bit more. There's a lot of it, unless you're in the healthcare field or have a degree in some of this, you're probably not going to understand it. I'm kind of in that boat myself. Again, I just thought it was interesting and still doing some research on this one. They're kind of into DNA, quite a few different products. As I told you before, some of their applications are discovery research, cancer, genetic diseases, genome assembly. Just kind of goes over a couple different things on their website, which I thought was interesting. Again, I mean, up to you if you want to take a look at this one. I thought it was kind of interesting. Of course, after I got into it, it kind of went down a little bit, and here's some videos. I'm not really sure what's here. My internet is going extremely slow right now, and I didn't want to take up too much time on the video. You're welcome to go ahead and look at these. I might do a follow-up if I see this one continue to go up. Now that I found some videos here, might be kind of interesting and answer some questions out there that you have for it. But again, genetic testing and just thought it was a interesting one to look at, and it's getting close up to my cost basis again. So hopefully it'll keep running up, and at this point in time, I don't know if I'll buy any more shares on it or not. But anyway, just bringing BNGO to your attention. It sounds like bingo, but if you hit it strike gold with this one, I suppose you'd be yelling out bingo. So again, if you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit it, kick it, smack it, tickle it if you may, if you want. It's up to you, however you want to highlight it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I thank you for the subscribers. I had some growth last night. I turned out a bunch of videos. Go ahead and check my library. Trying to get up to 50 subscribers by the end of the year, if not on the first of the year, and just kind of see where it takes me next year. So just trying to take this channel to the next level. I'm going to be getting some new software and possibly adding some animation to some of my videos here later on. So taking it to the next level. So again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial, just bringing BNGO to your attention. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for subscribing. You have a great day. Happy trading. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Stay green.